Hello students, my name is Karthik Kundal. I welcome you all the Chanakke Defense Group YouTube channel. So students, today we are going to start our second class of English. Today we are going to study about the topic tense. Now we are going to study about our second tense, the past tense. Students, as you know very well, in the previous class we just talked about the present tense and the four forms of the present tense. Similarly, in today's class we are just going to study about the past tense. And as you know very well, the past tense is a form of verb which refers to the past time, is said to be known as the past tense. For example, a form of verb that refers to the past time is said to be known as the past tense. For example, I worked. I worked is a example of past time. For example, he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter is also the example of past time because wrote is a second form of verb which shows you about the past time. Now come on the first form of the past tense, that is the simple indefinite past tense. The first form of the past tense is simple indefinite past tense. Basically children, the simple indefinite past tense express an action that took place in the past time is said to be known as the past simple indefinite tense. It is basically shows you the action, it indicates to that action, that verb which took place in the past time is said to be known as the simple indefinite past tense. If we are talking about the rules of past indefinite tense, the rules. So we always use subject plus verbs second form plus object. These are the rules of past simple indefinite tense, that we always use subject plus verbs second form plus object. For example, I worked hard. This is example of past simple indefinite tense because I is the subject in the sentence, verb is a second form of verb, and hard is a verb that is known as object. This is a definition and these are the rules of past simple indefinite tense. Now come on the second form of the past tense. The second form of the past tense is the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, it refers to an action. Listen, it refers to an action. It indicates to such kind of verb which began in the past time. That is known to be as the past continuous tense. For example, he was sorry for example he was reading a book. This is the example of past continuous tense because he was reading a book. Because the action was begun in the past, that the boy was reading a book, he was starting reading book at the past time. So this refers to an action that took place that began in the past time is said to be known as the past continuous tense. And if we are talking about the rules of the past continuous tense, we always use subject plus was, were plus verb first form plus ing plus object. These are the rules of past continuous tense. If we are talking about another example, she was cooking food. She was cooking food is the example of past continuous tense. She refers to an subject. Was is the helping verb. Cooking is the main verb with ing because ing is the sign of continue. And food is the object. This is the main example and this is the definition of the past continuous tense. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Now come on the third form of the past tense. The third form of past tense is the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to an action which completed at some point in the past time, before another action was began, is said to be known as the present continuous, present perfect tense. In Hindi, I want to say that past perfect tense में हम क्या पढ़ते हैं, वह कार्य जो पास्ट समय में कंप्लीट होता है, जो भूतकाल में कंप्लीट कर दिया जाए किसी अनदर एक्शन के शुरू होने से पहले सो वो क्या कहलाता है, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, firstly we will talking about the rules of the past perfect tense. We always use subject plus had plus verbs third form plus object. We always use subject plus had plus verbs third form plus object. If we are talking about, we can take example, the train had left before I reached the station. The train had left before I reached the station is the example of past perfect tense. The train is subject, had is helping verb, left before I reached the station is the direct object in the sentence. So this is the past perfect tense. Now come on the last form of the past tense. The last form of past tense is the past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense refers to an action which completed at the definite point in the past time and is still continued till then as said to be known as past perfect continuous tense. In a Hindi language, I want to say that past perfect continuous tense के अंदर हम क्या पढ़ते हैं, ये हमें उन एक्शंस को शो करता है जो पास्ट के अंदर एक डेफिनेट टाइम के अंदर कंप्लीट होते हैं और इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूड, आगे तक वो फ्यूचर तक वो चलते भी हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, पास्ट परफेक्ट continuous tense. If we are talking about the rules of the past perfect continuous tense, then we always use subject plus had been, subject plus had been plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. These are the rules of past perfect continuous tense. For example, Rakesh had been waiting for you Rakesh had been waiting for you till Rakesh had been waiting for you for half an hour. Means राकेश क्या कर रहा था, राकेश आपकी वेटिंग कर रहा था, किसकी, आपकी वेटिंग कर रहा था, कितने समय से, आधे घंटे से वह आपकी क्या कर रहा था, वेट कर रहा था। तो जो फॉर हाफ एन आवर क्या शो कर रहा है, इज स्टिल कंटिन्यू टिल देन, है ना, तो ये उसको शो कर रहा है। एंड दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडेज इंग्लिश क्लास पार्ट 2। I hope you enjoy the class. I hope you have understood all the things what I have teach you, and thank you so much for giving me such a precious time to me, and thank you once again. Children, one more thing which I want to tell you, please subscribe our channel for the new updates regarding the English class, and thank you so